I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking in 2 essentials: a consistent wake time and an evening ritual that reduces stimulation. Begin tonight. Choose a wake time you can keep every day, then cut caffeine after 2 p.m. to lower nighttime arousal. Once done, dim lights and reduce screen use for 60-90 minutes. This shifts your melatonin rhythm and signals sleep. Make sure the bedroom is cool and quiet, and begin a 20-30 minute wind down, like reading or breathing exercises, to begin sleep pressure. You now increase biological drive for sleep by manipulating daytime behavior. First, get bright morning light for 10-20 minutes within an hour of waking. This anchors your circadian phase and makes nights easier. Next, control naps. Keep them to 20 minutes and before 3 p.m. so they don't blunt homeostatic sleep pressure. If you need a new bedtime, shift it gradually in 15-30 minute steps each few days to avoid rebound insomnia. Combine these with evening routine consistency for reliable nights. You finish by turning routines into stable habits and handling setbacks. Track your sleep for 2-4 weeks to spot patterns and tweak light, timing, or naps accordingly. If you find yourself awake for more than 20 minutes, get out of bed and do a low-stimulation activity until sleepy, then return. This prevents negative bed associations. If problems persist beyond 3 months or you have daytime impairment, seek medical evaluation for disorders or medication review. This ensures you're addressing root causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.